All right, so you want to have your reviews on your har.com website. How the heck do we do that? First thing we're going to do is we're going to get to our members only portal. If you go to where your picture is and do that drop down menu, you'll see members only area. So when you click that, that's how you'll get to this page. Over here to the left hand side, you're going to see a bunch of buttons to click on. Tools is where we want to go. Then from these drop down menus, you're going to hit ratings and reviews. And what we're looking for here specifically is client experience rating. When we hit that button, it's going to take you to this page, and we're looking at the second tab here, which says opt-in and preferences. Now, if you want these displayed and you want to opt into the client experience rating, then obviously we're going to hit button number 2 here, opt in to the HAR client experience rating and show those ratings on har.com. Once you've got that selected, we're going to hit that save button. Now I'm already in there, so I'll go back. You can see that I've sent out 191 reviews and only 41 of them have not been published. This system will make you send a review to every single person once your transaction is closed out. Now, I don't think that you can go back and send to clients who you've already closed with, so it's kind of from the time of opting in forward, but client experience rating will send you an email that says, hey, congratulations on completing this transaction. Now give us the name of the client and the email address for that client that you did a transaction with. You have to do it within 15 days or it will automatically opt you out of the system. Now, another cool thing here, if we go back to tools, we're going to go to ratings and reviews, and you'll see Google reviews. As of about 3 weeks ago, HAR has made it to where you can plug in your Google reviews from your Google business page to your har.com website as well. So you'll hit that get started button, and then it'll walk you directly through how to do that. Hope that helps you. If you have any questions, please feel free to text me, email me, get at me, however.